What's up, everybody? It's Brandon Cobb with HBG Construction and the House Mine Guys. We're here on day 8 of our 10-day flip and want to give you guys a quick little update. We finished the full block foundation around the whole perimeter of the house. I'll give you guys a quick little tour on the inside. I haven't actually been in today, so this will be some news for me too. Let's see how it's looking. How's it going, guys? Looks like most of the paint's got done. Let's see, I think they finished up this bathroom. Got the towel, got the shower in there. Looks like it's all framed up, looking good. Oh wow, the shower looks really good. And got the kitchen cabinets over here that look good. Oh, let's see. Got everything painted. Woo. Still gotta put in most of the flooring, but it's been cleaned out. It looks like the place is way cleaner. So here's your laundry room. Got the ceilings have all been painted. Oh, you're good. Is the master in there? Cool, I'll get out of your way real quick. Thanks, man. All right, here's the master. We still gotta finish painting this. The ceiling has been painted though. And it looks like this whole thing has been done here in the master, and they put ram board and some plastic up just to kind of cover up everything. So I think tomorrow we've got the vanities going in, and I think we're finishing up a lot of the floors, a lot of the walls. So 2 more days. Let's see if we can do it.